It's cool, cold outside. Nothing is growing. And we all talk about sustainability, growing things, vegetables. We're looking forward to the spring. Hey, you can have a garden in the house in the middle of the winter, especially for the kids. Take them away from the iPad and the TV. Get them doing things for fun. You can grow peas, beans, all kinds of vegetables. You can even grow wheat for the kitty cat. You can buy them here in a store behind me or the biggest stores in town. They sell them in bulk. Have fun. Let's go in.
Let's put this away. Okay, hold my hand.
Here I am in the store in front of the bulk bins. Here's a perfect example. You can grow your own bean sprouts. Here they are. Just put those in the bag and you've got your own bean sprouts. You've got pinto beans, you've got navy beans, you've got wheat. Here you've got chickpeas. You see them? They look like baby chicks. So you have a bag of sunflower seeds that will sprout. They must be raw seeds. No salting, no cooking, raw seed. All of these can be easily grown inside in the winter in the house. Kids can have fun gardening right through the winter instead of looking at, as I say, the iPad and TV. Have a little fun.
So we're gonna take these plates here. We're gonna put the water on them. Then you're gonna plant seeds. Is that exciting?
Yes.
You have to put it in this bag when it's all done, okay?
What you need is paper towels. Fold the paper towel on itself into 4. Put it on the plate.
Take one, that's good. Okay, put it down on the table, please.
And put a little water on it. There. And your water runs in there.
I mean the scoop?
Yeah. Now fill it up. Okay. Now dump it on the napkin. That's good.
Now you've got a wet paper towel on a plastic plate.
I think ugly is this one.
Put all the green seeds over here on this half.
I'll put it right.
Yeah, put them all over there. It's like they're playing dodgeball, right?
They're supposed to play dodgeball. They're not supposed to play kissing.
This is a Ziploc bag that'll prevent them from drying. Open the bag. Put in this paper plate.
Grab one of the bags.
Zip the bag closed.
That's good.
Put this anywhere in the room, a warm room, 70 degrees, a house room, anywhere. And that will germinate in a week.
I feel like these ones are good. These ones are beating these ones. No, I think this one is beating these ones. This one is the longest one. Ew. Ah! That smells good. It smells like oatmeal. Anything this good? No fair? Ew. What is this thing? It's so gross. Ew. Hey kids on YouTube, grow some plants because it's going to be more fun than video games, Dr. Evans.